$1,000 each and every single day in your business. Sound good? Good. Well, hey, it's Leah Rae from ToddandLeahRae.com, and in this video, I'm going to give you 6 critical steps that you need to do to reach that potential, your full potential, $1,000 or more each and every single day. So get your pen and paper handy because I'm going to give you exactly what it takes. Now, you can see this video isn't like an hour's worth of training to give you really in-depth stuff. So if that's what you're looking for, if you really want to build a 6 and even 7-figure business online, you want to click the link in the description, get access to our training that's going to teach you how to set that up and really become successful in your online business. It's a top link in the description, so grab that access as this video ends. And now I'm going to start with the more basic and fundamental pieces, number 6, right? 6 to 1, because this is what you need in place to really lay the foundation to have any level of success. And then as we get down to 1, it's going to be very specific to reaching a high income with affiliate marketing and $1,000 or more each and every single day. So starting with number 6, let's talk about building an audience. I unfortunately see this mistake all the time where people, they get started with affiliate marketing or really anything online and they think they can just throw a bunch of ads together and make money. Well, times are a changing, folks. That used to be something that you could do, but it's not that way anymore. You really need to work to build an audience, whether that's YouTube. I love YouTube. It's really my preferred method for our business and for a lot of our coaching clients because it's a search engine. You can find new people, you can do a lot of organic traffic, and you can layer on paid traffic as well. You can do SEO and blogging, right? You can do blog articles, build a following there. You could leverage Instagram, build a big following, or Twitter, or your Facebook, maybe your business page, or even a Facebook group that you manage. But you need to build an audience where people are actively paying attention to you. It doesn't matter what you're doing online if no one is seeing what it is, right? You got to get your message in front of the masses. So in order to do that, you need to build an audience. So number 6 then is build that audience. That is key to building any level of success in affiliate marketing or really any online business. Now, step number 5 is driving traffic to your link. So whether you're doing YouTube videos, you're doing blog posts, Instagram, images, stories, whatever, you need to get people to take action, to go from an audience member to actually becoming a lead, taking that action to click a link for more information, to find out X, Y, or Z, to get a free download, free PDF, whatever step it is that you want them to take, you need to generate the lead. They have to click a link, go to a capture page where they put in their information, become a lead for you, and that is critical to your success. You're not going to make big money in affiliate marketing if you're not generating leads. So you have to be able to move your audience from just watching or consuming your content to taking action. So how do you do that? Well, you need to make sure that whoever is enjoying your content is likely going to want to click your link. Not because they just like you, but because they see value in it. There's a reason that the benefit they see themselves potentially getting if they click that link. So you need to make sure in your videos, in your blog posts, your post or whatever on Instagram, that you're giving them the benefit, the reason they need to click that link. They need to understand how it's really going to help them because they don't care about you. They care about them. And you got to make sure that you spell it out very specifically with any of your content and so you can drive traffic to that offer. Same concept, guys, with any paid advertising. If you're doing Google AdSense, if you're doing Facebook ads, you need to really, really focus on conveying the benefit that people are going to get when they click that link, when they check out your information, whatever it is that you're having them do. Now, this leads right into number 4, building an email list. Please, please, please don't fall into the trap of thinking you can just, build this giant YouTube channel and have all these affiliate links that go directly to purchase pages on these, sites for your email autoresponder and different software and different things. You can do that. However, you're like always in hustle mode, having to find new customers all the time and not actually getting repeat customers. Compare that to someone who's building a YouTube channel, they're building an audience, YouTube, SEO, Facebook, whatever, and they generate leads. They build an email list so people opt in, put their name and email in, and they get maybe a free PDF download, they get a training series, who knows, whatever. You give them something for free in exchange for their email. You offer that to your audience, and now you're building a list of emails that you can email, you can market to almost daily if you want. Now, why is this important? Honestly, because with sales, it's usually the 5th to 12th touch point that you have with someone before they actually make a sale. So if you're promoting some sort of affiliate offer, you want to be able to follow up with them through email because they probably didn't purchase that first time you put it in front of them. You want to keep making that offer and also giving them more and more value, building up that know, like, and trust factor so they're willing to pull the trigger. And you can do that so effectively through email. You can also create return customers. customers, which are the best kind because they already know, like, and trust you. They've already bought something that you recommended, and now you can recommend something else. Solve another problem, offer another solution for something they've got going on. So you can build repeat customers. It's way cheaper to keep a customer, keep them happy, have a repeat customer, than it is to go out and find a new customer. So building an email list is critical to this. Now, number 3, really this goes for all kinds of strategies, but we're gonna focus on paid strategies. You have to focus on one paid strategy. That is it. And you gotta master that baby and milk it for all it's worth. Don't jump around trying to, get started on Facebook ads and decide you're gonna add in YouTube ads and do this. No, you could spend your entire life mastering Facebook ads. Not even kidding. You could do that and you could get really, really good at it and get amazing results versus spreading yourself too thin, trying to learn all of these other paid strategies, wasting your money, wasting your time. So become a master of that strategy. Not, master one thing, don't try to be a jack of all trades, master it, because that's when you can really scale up your business effectively. If you master a paid marketing strategy, do that, and then you put in $1, you get $2 out. Whatever that rate is that you find for yourself, you can scale up drastically. And that's how you get into very, very big money pretty quickly once you have your process streamlined and you know your numbers. But master that one paid strategy. Don't try to do a bunch of paid strategies. Just have one, guys, and just crush it. Go through all the training, all the stuff you can find about it, and master that sucker. Now, number 2 is really important because theoretically you could make $1,000 a day or more in affiliate marketing selling a lot of something that's cheap, maybe $50, $100 thing, whatever. It's going to take a lot more time to do that because the amount of traffic that you have to have coming into the offer is going to have to be a lot bigger. So that's a lot more paid advertising or a lot bigger audience that you're growing on whatever platform you're building. Compare that instead to a high ticket offer. So let's look at this, guys. Number 2, high ticket offer, because if your offer is $100, not high ticket. Let's say it's still a digital product, which can pay great percentages. So say you make 50% on a $100 purchase. So you make one sale, you make $50. That's okay, better than not making a sale. So that $100 offer that you make $50 commissions on, you'd have to make 20 sales before you reach $1,000. That's a lot of sales. That requires a ton of traffic and is gonna take you a very long time to get to that point. Now, compare that to something that maybe is a $2,000 or $2,500 offer and you make $1,000 from one stinking sale. Way easier, way easier. You're gonna hit that one sale mark to get that $1,000 way faster with a really good high ticket offer than you will with 20 sales or something that's $100. You're gonna move faster, your income's gonna increase faster when you find a good high ticket offer. It's gotta be in the thousands in my book to be high ticket, 2,500 and above really is what you're looking at, and that's what gets you to great commissions that can pay the bills fast. That's how you get to full-time money quickly in your business, is by having a high ticket offer. And that leads right into number 1. The number 1 critical piece is not just that it's a high ticket offer, guys, but that it has a great value ladder. Value ladder where it has a low ticket front end offer. So maybe it's $20, $30, $7, free plus shipping, whatever it is, for people to get their foot in the door. They purchase something, not a high commitment level, right? Anywhere between, $7 to $50. Low ticket. They purchase with that. They get started. That person then likes what they see and they want to take the next step. Oh, look, there's a $250 offer they can purchase. Oh, that's nice. You as the affiliate still gets the commission for that next sale, even though you didn't do anything for it. All you did is promote the front end one. And now they took the next step. Well, after maybe the $250 step, they really like what they're getting and they want to go further. They buy a $2,500 step, right? Whatever the value is that they're giving. Great. They make that purchase as the affiliate. You make $1,000. Sweet. Maybe they love that. They're excited about it and they take the next step, which is $10,000, $15,000, $20,000. Who knows? There's no set, prices that it has to be for a good value ladder. It has to make sense. It has to be something that someone can come in at a low ticket front end. Okay, something cheap. It gets them in the door and then they over deliver. They provide great value to that customer and then they invite the customer to take the next step and the next step along the way. As an affiliate marketer, this is is gold, because all you do is focus on that low end stuff and just keep driving traffic into the low ticket front end offer. I always get that mixed up. Low ticket front end offer. That's what you focus on. And then a great affiliate program handles the rest. They've got the value ladder set up. They've got great value. It's not just about the price point, it's about value, that their customers actually see the value in what they're getting and that they're happy with it. Because if they're happy with it, they might take a look at that next step, right? So having a great value ladder is critical to hitting $1,000 a day in affiliate marketing as fast as possible. It's going to make your job way, way easier. On top of that, if you are using paid advertising in your business, guess what? That front end offer can help pay your advertising costs. So say you have something that's really low end, $10, $20, $30, whatever, you can use that money to fund your advertising. That would be like your break-even point for your advertising. And then you actually make the profits then from all of the upsells in the value ladder as people take that next step with bigger commissions coming your way. Now, to learn more about how this all works and how to find a great program that's going to do all of this for you and how to just crush the whole online business game, go from 0 to 6 figures and above, click the link, top link in the description. We've got it all laid out for you. Please know we are rooting for you. We're here to help you create the time freedom that you and your family deserve. So if this is the very first video of mine that you're seeing, what does that mean? Subscribe. And hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell button for notifications so that we can continue to help you. We can give you the help to get you where you want to be to get that time freedom. Again, this is Leah Rae from ToddandLeahRae.com. Head over to the next video, watch this one next, and I'll see you soon.